Hey and welcome to Alpha. We are now going to start our live stream where we're going to be trading binary option. As always, I will trade for 1 hour and I will give signals while I am trading, and you can very easily follow what I'm doing. So if you see this as a recording, below the video you will find a link to the broker that I'm using, and also you will find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. I will suggest you to start with a DM account just to make sure that you know how to follow my trades. It's very simple, but still it's a safe way to you to start. Follow my live session, then start to be trading. Then after, if you see that you manage to follow and you make money together with me, then move over to make some deposit. Okay? If you see now as live stream, the links are in the chat. So I will now start to log in and prepare everything. I do, as always, have extra computer here so I can see the chat, and anyone not right, I will see it. So now just log in, make everything in order. Now let's see. Okey-doke. And right out of the bat, I see a possible trade down here. Let's change this one for green. Let's change for 30. Let's take 100. If we come down there, we easily take a trade. Easily. And I take a up trade there. We have our first trade in the book. Now let's see how this plays out. I'm also at the same time promoting this live stream. Now let's see. And there. Now, did we win this trade or not? I did not follow, so let's see. Yes, we won the first trade of the day. Very good. So then we are $95 in profit. Amazing. Now let's see if we can come down again. I'll take it. So we have a good start on Dodge. We are in again there. Quite good entry. Not the best. And now he closes below, so I take a trade another way. I should not have done that. I know that, but I do it by the way. Let's hope at least I win one of them. I think I did a mistake. Looks like I will lose. No, I won the first. Amazing. Then it's not so bad. Then we lost only $5. I knew right away that the hedge was a stupid idea. Okay, but I will not trade this one more because I don't like when it closes below here. So we lost $5 on this one, just. So we are then at 90. That is perfectly okay. Let's just close everything and let's start to find some trades. So we have $90 profit till now. Now let's see. Here, right off the bat, see a trade, we take it there, change for 30. If come down there again, I'll take it. I see we have 3 people live. Who is live? And oh, terrible, just terrible entry. Take one more. I know I should not take one more, but the other entry was so bad that was not even justable to have it there. So if I can win both, perfect. If we win one, I'm happy with that also. So let's see how this plays out. Looks like actually we will win. If we win the first, that would be amazing. We did, perfect, and we won the number 2 also. Amazing. So then we are up $280. I was not expecting to win the first because the entry was terrible. The second I knew. So we are now a very good start of the day. And if you're here live now and you don't have account, make sure you open. You have good time to do so. Just open a demo account. Just so you can follow. It's much more fun when you can follow the trades and see how you would have done. And then if you see that this is something for you, then you can go in with real money later if you feel for it. It's much more fun to follow if you have a demo account. Take you 5 minutes to set up account so you can trade with demo together with me here now. And I will be trading more. Let's see now. I'll be trading more 54 minutes, so you have a lot of time to trade. Now let's see. So we obviously won that one also. So if we take now the trades for today, you can see we have all these trades here we have done. That is pretty darn amazing, I will say. Pretty darn amazing. So now let's just see how much money we have made till now. $375 profit till now. Now I will say we are done with this one because he closed it down here, so we are not interested to trade more on this one. But we already have $375 profit. How amazing is that? Now let's see what more we can find here. I look for very specific setups, so here we don't have it. Right away I find, I will tell. I don't see it here. So once again, if you're just following, open a demo account so you can follow what I'm doing, because it's much more fun. Then you can figure out if this is something you like to do also. Now let's see. Here I don't see anything either. So we've done 6 trades already. Now let's see. No. Nope. Like I said, we are looking for very specific setups, and right away I find it, I will show you. And by the way, if you don't understand, it's fine too, as long as you start with demo account and you start to believe in what I'm doing, because I don't want you to blindly follow either. Basically what I'm looking for, you see here, you see the spikes here. If I had a couple of more here and I see like 4 times and you see no breaks above, then we take the trade on the spikes. That's what basically what to do. Here for example now, looks like you're forming maybe good enough entry, I would say there. Let's see if this one close down now, close down here or something. If you close up here, we are done. But if this one can close below this entry here, then this can be something. So now we just need to wait and see how this ends up. I did not like the closing was too high, that's why we're not trading it. But if this one here now had closed it a little more down, I will be interested. But only because he closed it so high. I see him that he will break up soon. That's why I don't take a trade on this one. Now let's see. I see we are 5 people live, but if someone is on demo account or whatever, tell me in the chat so I know. It's more fun when we interact a little. And also it's everyone learn a little more if you ask some question and things. No question is too stupid. Now let's see. Up here, for example, if you had a couple of more, I would be interested. We need to have a little space in between these wicks and the bar. The bar is this big area, right, and the wicks is this lines you see. So if you can see some wicks up here, if you have like four, I prefer 5, and we can have like down here, for example. Let's see. Here I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I will be happily take a trade on here. Of course, when it's so long time away from it, I would like to have it one test before I start trading again. No, I'm not using Binbot Pro more. Now I keep to manual trading for binary option only because too many people was losing money with these robots. Did work very good for me. I made a lot of money with Binbot Pro, but was too many rules that I needed to implement for making this money, and that made it so people in general was losing money. So that's why I did move away from any robot of binary option for now. I had a few before, but I did see that was I needed to make too many rules to make money with it, and then what I did was not easily copied by someone else. So that's why I did move away from this type of things. You're welcome, and welcome to the channel. I don't think I've seen you before. Now let's see. Up here, for example, this is a region where I would have market. I'll show you. Up here, if you take the spikes here, you see here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, you can see we have been away for a little while. So I will activate this one. Typically the way I activate, this is a resistance zone, right? I activate because now I can see you are quite many minutes away from it. If these ones come up here now, have one test, and you see a bar that end up with maybe a little above, but close down here, for example, close like the bars you see here, then I will make this one red and I will trade on the next bar. So I will not trade on the first one on this one, but I will trade on the next. So this, for example, yes, this is a perfect scenario for a one we can trade on. Okay, but like I said, when you've been away for a little while, especially when you talk about 1 minute, support resistance today might be in the middle of the bar tomorrow, because it's not you're not talking like 1 hour and 4 hour support resistance that can stay the same for maybe years. When you talk about minute, they change. But let's move away. This will not happen anytime soon, so we are not interested to look at now. Now let's see. Down here we can take a trade. Let's see, let's take a horizontal line there. Let's change for 30, and I got an okay entry, not perfect, but okay. Let's see. Now we just need to wait 20 seconds and collect some money, hopefully. My entry is not perfect, so that's why I'm a little discouraged. It looks like actually we're breaking even, so maybe we get a losing trade here now. Looks like it. Yeah, that's completely fine. You see from the trade we done till now, we did here, so we got one more loser here now. we are down to $275. That means you're not trading this one more. Then we move on. But this was a perfect example. I'm never sad when I lose a trade like this, because even though my entry was not perfect, the way he broke down made so I would have lost, by the way. But this for me is a perfect example of something I will trade every single day. So I only sad when I do a mistake, but this I did not do a mistake, so then it's all good. Here we're getting a copy. I think here I will not take entry just right now. We need a little lower. I will say we have just two here. I will not count this one, because if I count this one, it's too close. So here maybe later we can get something. In the top here we can count 4. So up here I will take a line. Let me see. Right about there. Now I would like the bar to come up here and test it just one time. If you can do so, I will take a trade on it. You can say now that you will have one here also. Yeah, it's justable to take one trade here. But I don't like when you have a so small area to move on. Now let's see. And also, let me just post one thing here now. Make sure you join me in Discord. I basically trade every single Saturday in Discord live. Discord is the new place I'm planning to do everything in the future. So make sure you are part there. There will be a lot of things. I'll have a lot of giveaways later on. This of course depends on the activity I have in Discord, but there will be a lot of Discord. I have given away a funded account before, and I'm planning to do that again. So make sure you join Discord. And also there are Forex robots I give away currently. So if you're into that, you can get a Forex robot for free. And that Forex robot is actually very good. I run it on a live account and I run it on a funded account. So make sure you use this robot if you want to. Completely up to you, of course. Now let's see. I think we move on. Down here, this is a typical one I would not trade right now, because you see the wicks are not big, they are very tiny, and then it's very high probability of losing, like this one maybe lose, this one and this one. So then the win rate will not be good. You need a little more space in the wicks. Let's see. Nope. I think we might have more luck with cryptocurrency. Looks like it. Let's take some cryptocurrency. Let's Binance Coin. That is one of my favorite. Like here you see 2 wicks, right? So if you get 2 more around in this region, that would give me a good opportunity to trade in this region. But currently it's nothing, so let's move on. Doge, we did trade a little from morning. Let's see now. And do you know what? I will trade there. So if you come down there again, I will take it. We are now ready to go in. This is on Dogecoin. I did not take a trade there. I did see it's a little space between okay, I was a little slow again because I was talking. Let's see if we can come in now. Now for some reason he has stopped up. I have says poor connection here now. Thank God he did that, because he did for some reason close it below. So I did never get a trade here. But I got poor connection and we did not get this move that came down here. Okay. Fair enough, then we move on. In the top here, I would say now. It looks pretty good. Let's mark it. We have 3, so if you can get... We can't count this one, because if I take a line there, it will still have... Yeah, I think we take it there. Because even if I take it a little down, we still have a little space, so that's why I think this one is okay. So let's change to 30. If you come up, I'll take it. This is on Ethereum Classic, the real Ethereum. Now let's see. If you come up to the red line, we will take a trade. So you need some patience when you're trading binary option also. Many times you feel you want to trade all the time, but you need to wait for your specific setups, just so you get the win rate that you deserve. Because if you follow my rules, you should win 7 or 8 trades for each 10 trades you do. If you start to trade outside of the rules, then of course that will remove from your win rate, because trust me, then you will end up to very close to 50%. And 50% win rate on binary option, you're losing money. Even when you have 95, of course. And then you will start always automatically, when you see you're down and you feel that you need to have income, you will start to martingale, and you might even blow your account. So keep to the rules and find an amount. Like you see me, I use only $100 for a 50,000 account, 55,000 actually. And the reason for that, I see if I do more than this, I get some type of emotions from it. So I figure out that 100 for me, I manage to trade without emotions. So you need to figure out where is your amount so you can trade without, because emotions is basically the way you lose money. And by the way, now I did see he did break very hard. I was waiting. I did see that this region here have some type of resistance. It would be a typical area for him to stop. Now of course I lost because he did break above it. But it was a adjustable place to take a trade. Now of course if it was a 1 minute, looks like I would have won instead of the 30 seconds I did. But it's completely fine. I do not like that we lose 2 in a row, but it's completely fine. Our profit now is down to $175, but at least we are in profit. Now let's see if we can find something else. Looks like cryptocurrency is working the best for us today. Down here I do like. Let's but if I want to take care, I will take it not for this week, but I'll take it down to around there. So if we come down there, I will take a trade. Now let's see if we can build up the account again. Now we have lost 2 in a row. Now I will prefer to win at least 3, so I want my $500 a day. That is always my target. Now let's see. Little activity today in the chat and things, I mean. Now let's see. You see, you have a slow curve down, so that means that it's a possibility he will break below this eventually. But let's see now if we take take a trend line here now. We clearly see that it's a downward trend. That means he will not break above this region here. So that means we eventually will come down to our line again. We could trade on this trend line also. Probably I will try it. If he can pin it exactly, something like this, then I will see if I do it. So let's see. It's another way we can trade. So now we have basically two things we're trading. We're trading this line. We can even change it for red color, just for keeping to the color scheme that we like. Let's zoom in so you see a little better. So we have now traded for soon 30 minutes. We are currently $175 in profit. Last two trades was losers. Now let's see. So win rate today, it's not that good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. And out of trades we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to keep to for the next, we need to win the next two, basically, to keep to a win rate that I'm acceptable with. Now let's see. I do like both. I do like a trade on the trend line, and I do like a trade down here. We see that we have still much space to move around. Of course, when this one starts to come more down, you will come to squeeze. Then he will either break up in the trend line or break down on the support, and that is a time when I don't want to trade either. But currently we have much space in between, so that's why I will trade both. Now let's see. For now I keep this one on this side because it's better to look what you're doing right now. I'm ready to take up trade if we come down now. Looks like we might do it. Let's see. No, not yet. And if you have any question, just write in the chat, I will reply. Let's see. We are ready. He might shoot very fast down, so we need to be super fast. I'm in. Ooh, very big breakdown, but let's see. We got a very nice entry down there. Now we need to wait 20 seconds. The entry I'm super happy with. So let's hope he closes above our line. I did not like, so I'm done with trading on this one now. I did not like where he stopped. That means he will break down. but we won, by the way, so that's good. But we are not trading this one more, because we see that he closed below this one here, so that means he will start to find a new lower area. But at least we got a so good entry, so we won, so perfect. So then our profit is at $270. Let's move this back to here and let's see if we find something else. But yeah, very good. I'm happy with that. Let's check Polygon. Same happy with Polygon, you can see he broke below. Here I will not be so interested to trade because you see the spikes. Actually, I would have traded here. I'm lying. The last 4 here was quite beautiful, so I would have traded here. But okay, let's move on. You're not doing it now. That probably means that most cryptocurrencies have broken down right now. Not this one. Let's see here now. I would say here, very beautiful area. Let's see if we can mark it up faster than he move over there. I would say around there. I like that. Let's turn that one to green. I do like this region. So you see all here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winners. So if we come down there again, we will easily take a trade. Let's see. And like I said in the start, if you're just sitting here watching, take you 5 minutes to open a demo account with the link you see pinned in the chat. Open and come back again after. It's much more fun when you can follow my trades. And I'm in. Good entry. Now let's see if this can turn into money. I'm happy with my entry. So win or lose, I'm happy with the entry. That's the most important when you're trading. That I don't care if I lose now. Of course I care, but at least I know that I did my best for it. And we lost it, but it's completely fine. At least I got a good entry. Now let's see if we can continue trading on it, depending on where he's closing the bar. Let's see. And he closed it far down here. That means I'm not trading more on this one either. That was annoying. So our profit did go down a little again. We are down to $170 profit, but at least we are in profit, but it's not moving in the correct direction. I would like to see some more profit by now, but it's okay. Let's move on. We have seen all cryptocurrency, but let's just check fast over how things looks like. And looks like we have a new line down here now. I will take it, but I think I will take it on the extremes. So if you come down to the extreme here, I will take it, because we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5, but I'll take it on the 2 extremes. So let's see. So you can see my line, I put a 203.64. This is on Binance Coin. We could say we have in the top also. If I take in the top, let's see. Let's make a line there. Let's make it red. I was too slow on the trigger to get there. We're in. There. We take it on the extreme. Now let's see if this can give us some tokens. Let's see. Of course, he's breaking high up right now, but we do have more 10 seconds, so this can still play in our favor. Let's see. We are hovering around our profit area, and there you have it. Perfect. So then we got another $95 profit. Then we have 265. I do not like what I'm seeing, so I need to wait a little. I see the reason I say that is because you see higher high, higher high, and even higher. So I will not trade more on this one. Too risky. But I will trade the one in the bottom if you come down there. Now let's see. This is a bearish bar, so he might come down here now. Now let's see. So our current profit is now at 265. Like I always say, my target for each day is 500. Then I'm happy. Now let's see. We are moving along the correct way. We do have some type of support here that you need to break first. So let's see. If we just can break this region here, I think we will be golden. I'm ready. But yes, this area is I only did not like that he made hires here. Of course you could take one in the extreme. I'm thinking about it. It's risky. I think I take one trade up here also. Let's keep this as a trade zone for now. Let's see. Now let's see. We've come down to our green line. We just pushed up button. It's that simple. And if you are copying what I'm doing, just on demo account or real, tell me in the chat. I always like to, and if you are, even if you're just on demo account, tell me how if you're up for today or you're down. It's nice that we all share what you're doing. Now let's see. For now, he's stubborn. We're not reaching any of our lines till now. But like I said before in the video, I need to be patient even when it comes to binary option. It's very easy sometimes. You think you see something and you want to take a trade. Don't do it. Keep to your rules. You maybe want to move your line up here, maybe because you can see that you have support here. Maybe I should have taken the trade down here. You start to change your rules, you know, and this is how you start to lose money. Because yeah, it's tempting when you start to see like, you closed 2 times. Of course, this bar did not show it. The history on this bar go away. Sometimes that can happen because we are in a brochure. So the member on the brochure can forget some bars, but if you reload the bar, you will see that this one is perfect. So I can do that now, just so you can see. Let's pay attention to this bar there when I reload. And there you see, this bar came. So the brochure just forgets sometimes. You can see that you can think, okay, this looks like a nice area. Don't think about it. Now let's see. But you see now, I'm coming down to this region again. Even though if this was not part of the history, I would not take trades here, because you see the closed bar is all the way down to the area and we can't trade that way. Now let's see. If we just can come up there, that will be a trade also. I'm ready. I'm in. There, we got a good entry. Now let's see. Ah, it was on 5 seconds. I hate. There you see. When I lose like this, that is when I get annoyed, because when you lose on a trade, because 25 seconds is basically just gambling. So that is something that makes me furious. I hate when I lose that way. It is so easy to forget to change this, because every time when you change in between two bars, and now I forgot because I did the reload just to show this bar here, and I forgot to change to 5 seconds. So there we lost one trade of mistake, and mistake, that is annoying. So then our 265 go down to 165 just because of a mistake. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. So now let's see up here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I like the one up here. A little far away just right now, but we might enter it later on. So let's take another one here. Let's check Dodge. See, we're going a little downwards here also. Right now I don't see anything on Deutsche. Ethereum Classic. I would say up here is something. Change for 30. Actually, I think I changed for 1 minute on this one. Yeah, I will take a 1 minute trade if come up to this line, because you see that we have some that wicks a little high. So, or I can take it there. Yeah, I can do that also. Change to 30. I'd rather take it up on this one. So if I get a wick up here, we take it. Yeah, I like that better. Now let's see. Almost. I'm in there. Very good entry. I think that will turn out quite good. Very nice entry in the top there. Now we just need to wait 17 seconds. And now we should have had the 300 something if it was not for the mistake we did here with a 5 second trade. But yes, we are winning that one, and there, another $95. So then we're up at 260 again. And knowing we lost this one here of mistake, will be 360 now, but by the way, we are doing good. And see where I put the line was spot on, like we see here. So it's a very good place to take an entry up there. Now let's wait a little more. Let's hope we come up with one more and we'll take it. Remove this blue thing there and be ready. I easily take a trade up there again. By the way, sideways market in binary option is good. I love sideways market. When it comes to Forex, I hate it, but when it comes to binary option, I love it. when it comes to Forex, a low trendy market. Now let's see. Now we just need to stay patient again. We have traded for 45 minutes, so we're going to trade more 15 minutes. So we should easily manage maybe 4 more trades today. So we still have a possibility to reach our $500 profit target. Well, let's see. We got a perfect entry here. Let's see if we can get one more up here again. We are at Ethereum Classic against dollar. Let's see. We are ready. Come on. I was not in there, or no way for me to take a trade there. Was moving too fast. And now let's see. I'm ready. There, we got a good entry in the top. I'm happy with the entry. Now let's see how this plays out. Now we need to wait more 15 seconds. Come on now. Oh, that was close. That was very close, but we lost it. Today we are not, we are hovering around 260, 160. Not good. I'm not trading here before I see how this bar close. He closed too high. That means I'm not trading more on this. But yeah, this has been a story today. We go to 260, we go down to 160, go to 260. So today but at least we are hovering in profit. But yeah, little annoying. Okay, so we are fighting a little today. I don't see nothing here. Up here could be something. Let's mark it. Let's take it with the correct color. I think we can take a trade up there. Let's change for 30. Good morning, Justin. You are late in today. Today we are struggling a little. As you can see on the left side here, we win one, we lose one, win one, lose one. Profit today is 160, so we're in profit at least. And did a mistake with a 5-second on the trade also, so today I've been a little up and down, but all good. At least we're in profit. Now let's see. This one up here I like a lot. You see that we have quite a lot of times you come up to this region. So I will very easily take a trade up there. this resistance up here is very strong. I figure out that cryptocurrency is the best to trade with the support and resistance. Now let's see. If we just can get us wick up there now, I'm ready to go in. Now let's see. Still waiting. No, come on. We are now going to trade more 9 minutes, so we still, I think we can easily get in at least 2 more trades today. Now let's see. We are coming into our area where we see we have a little trend up here, downwards trend here. So you'll break in any direction. It's a little scary if you go up, of course, when you see something like this. I did like this bar here that broke that, so then we are good. Now let's see. If this one turn green now, that turn into a bullish bar. So I hope you close around here. Now looks like you'll go down again. Then we don't get more trades up here. Let me see what you write. Okay. I hope you just go in with something small first. Get your feet wet first, Justin. Just so you figure out where your emotions are staying and things like that. Now let's see. I'm ready to go down on the top there now. But at least you have been trading for a while now, so I think you have a good idea how for expectations. Now let's see. He's stubborn. Ah yeah, that's an acceptable amount. Make sure you use this promo code also, because then you can get some extra on it. So you have a little wiggle room. Now let's see. No. Let's check another one. Takes too long time. We don't have so much time left. So let's go back to the first BNB. Okay. Our lines are still active here, but we are in the middle. Let's check Cooper. Do you know what? I like Cooper a little up there. let's take a horizontal line on the top there, you see. Do you know what, I like that quite a lot. I will take a sell trade up there, easily. Now let's see. Come on now. See, you have one there, and there's this, means this is a good one. And we see here was even a little support. Now let's see. What do the times say? Times say that we'll probably get just one more trade. So let's make this one count. I would like to have a good entry on this one. Now let's see. And I did not enter. I should maybe see a little space. I would like to be inside it. Let's see now. This might be the last trade of the day. Now let's see. I'm ready. I'm in there. Not the best entry. Thinking about the spike we got up, but let's see. Now let's see. This might be the last trade of the day. Well, if we win this one, we end quite good. If we lose, it'll be terrible. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, and we lost. That means we basically just made $60 in this live session. That was, at least we did not lose anything, but I will not consider that any success at all. If we have won this one, would not be so bad, but as we lost, yeah, at least we made profit, but this was not a good session at all. You can see here now the trades we did take. We had a good start, then we got a bad area here, and we ended with 2 losing trades, so yeah, terrible. So yeah, by the way, we made profit. I will not cry for that, but $60, maybe can go to McDonald's today. So that's it for today. I will be back again tomorrow same time. Make sure you tune in then, and make sure that you sign up with a DM account so you can follow what I'm doing for the next live session, and also join me on Discord. You find links below the video, and you find links in the chat right now. So have an amazing day.